Hey everybody, it's Jordan from Activepieces. In this video, I'm going to show you how to very easily set up your own MCP server in Activepieces, and then connect that MCP server to the Claude Web App, the Claude Desktop app, and to Cursor. Both OpenAI and Google have announced simple MCP integration with ChatGPT and Gemini, but it hasn't quite been rolled out yet, so we'll cover that in a future video. First, let's talk about why you might want to use MCP. Yes, you can use MCP to connect AI assistants like Claude or ChatGPT, or in the future Gemini, to external applications like Gmail and Google Calendar and HubSpot. That's true, but the vision of MCP is to enable agentic AI by being a universal connector. So ideally, with MCP, you can connect any AI tool to any application or data source. What Activepieces does is it gives you your own MCP server, which allows you to connect MCP hosts like Claude to resources and applications that are external to the host. The possibilities are endless here, and it gets pretty complicated pretty fast. But let's start small for sanity's sake. We'll begin with the absolute simplest way to start using MCP, which is with the Claude Web App. They just rolled this out on May 1st of this year, and it is dead easy to use. First, just go to Activepieces, create an account if you haven't already. Go to this MCP tab, and then all you need to do is go to Server Other, copy this here secret URL that you should keep very secret, go to Claude, Settings, Integrations, add custom integration, call it whatever you want, Activepieces MCP is good, paste that link, add it, and that is literally all you have to do. Now, if you start a new chat, you'll see that your MCP tools are here. But where do these tools come from? Let's cover that. To add MCP tools that can be accessed by Claude, you just go to My Tools in the MCP tab, go to Add Piece, select whatever you want, and then add the piece like you would normally. Connecting Claude to your MCP server in Activepieces and having these pieces added means that you can use those pieces when talking to Claude. For instance, hey Claude, add a calendar event for tomorrow at 7 p.m. called Fancy Dinner. Click Allow. And there you go. Claude accessed your Google Calendar through your MCP server on Activepieces, and it made the event. Very easy. If you've already set up MCP on your Claude Web App, but you want to connect your MCP server to your Claude Desktop app, all you have to do is nothing. If you go to Claude here, you can see that it's already connected because you connected it in the web app. So yeah, couldn't be simpler than that. However, if you don't use the Claude Web App, you only use the desktop app, then just go to these client setup instructions, click Claude, copy this, go to Claude, Settings, Developer, Edit Config. It'll send you to this file here. You just need to open this with a text editor. Replace all that with this. Save. And then just restart Claude. And then you're good to go. To set this up on Cursor, simply go to Cursor here, copy this, go to your Cursor desktop app, go to MCP, add new global MCP server, and same deal, just paste all this in, save, restart the app, and there we go. So what we've done here is basically connected our external apps like Gmail and Google Calendar to Claude so that Claude can interact with those apps and take action on your behalf. If you want to get fancy, you can also use Activepieces Flows as MCP tools. These are called MCP Flows, and to make one, you just go to MCP, create a flow. I've created one here called Daily Action Plan that basically gets all the events from my calendar, loops on all of my recent emails, and creates an agenda for me based on all that information. And to call it, all I have to do is to go to Claude, and I say, hey Claude, you don't have to say that, but I like saying it, run my Daily Action Plan MCP flow. Then we let Claude do its thing, So now Claude has run my MCP flow. So basically it's triggered the flow, it's collected all of my calendar events, a bunch of my recent emails, and from that information, it has processed everything and told me what I need to focus on for the next day. So prepare for my 11 a.m. meeting, attend my 7 p.m. fancy dinner that we set up, and tells me my priorities, does a lot of cool stuff. So that's just one way in which you can use MCP. If you're going to build an MCP flow, you just got to start with this MCP tool trigger, put in the description of what it is, make sure you toggle wait for response, and then just make sure that the flow ends with reply to MCP client. Tell it what kind of response you want to give to Claude, and that way, when you trigger the flow, it'll do its thing, then it'll give you back what you need. So that's how you can easily use your Activepieces MCP server. I hope you can do some cool stuff with it. If you have any questions, let us know, and thanks for watching.